Okay, so we're inside our software and we're about to create a book. We're going to come and create a campaign and we're going to choose one of these options that we have here. So I'm going to go ahead and create an instant book and I'm going to do a 20 to 40 page book for now. And I'm going to use this as an example of maybe even writing about Royalty Profits AI. So I'm just going to name it Royalty Profits AI as a topic. And the book title is How to Automate your Amazon KDP publishing book creation. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is click on this, and this will give me an idea just from the topic that I'm giving it. For the instant book option is for me to generate a new title and a subtitle that I can use so it's unique. So this is our built-in AI that's going to help me actually get that information as well. It's giving me two options, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. And this fills in all the information that I need. And then the next purpose that I need to do is basically come to the targeted audience and choose which targeted audience that I want from the options that we're giving you right here. So for example, I'm doing business professionals. I want this to be maybe something for a self-help, or it could be an educational book. And in the tone that I would like to maybe give it some my educational tone. All right. So depending on the tones and the book purpose, you create a unique book that sounds natural. And then here we can put some information about the author's name, which you can put your name or whatever you're working with. And here I can add a link of maybe somewhere where I have my information about my author, right? For example, I'm giving a link of my Amazon's author bio area, and this will create a nice little bio for me automatically. I'm also going to be adding an image that I've uploaded, and all the images that you're seeing here are images from the books that I've created or the images used in the books that is inside your members area and your image area. The beautiful difference that we have in our book creator is the fact that everything is automated. You click a button and you get your keywords set up so you don't need to research that, EPUB descriptions. We put a price to this book so we can sell it, and we can also get automatically, our AI will give you the categories that are needed in order for you to push your book into KDP through the categories that our AI is giving you, so you are saving yourself a lot of time. Once that's done, we're ready to go. The affiliate marketing links are a part of an upgrade that we have, that you can add your affiliate links, and in your affiliate links, you can add a keyword or a phrase where this will actually put it inside the content depending on what you're using here. So I'm going to go and click on next. The next part is basically to add any images that you'd like. We're giving you 3 types of illustrations you can use. I'm going to do realistic. We can add it in either in a random location. So when it's talking into a chapter, you can add an image, or in the beginning of a chapter. It's up to you. It depends on how many images you want to use as well. And then you can also include your title, author, some context if you'd like. And then we can choose one of the 3 training models that we have, the AI models that we have. We include Nano Banana, GPT, and Open DALL-E. Well, I'm going to be using GPT-1 for this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose a template that you can actually create your templates, or you can actually use one of the templates that we have built in. And then from here, you can also make it maybe even better, and you can check out all the details that how it's going to look when it's creating the book. And that's it. Now, once I've started this, I'm going to go ahead and click on a stopwatch so you can see how long it will take for a 20 to 40 page book to be created using our software, which is probably the fastest software creator for eBooks that's in the market. So right now it's planning my book, and I'll come back in a few minutes when it's done. Okay, so the book is done, and we are at 2 minutes and 55 seconds in creating a book. Okay, so coming back in here, we have the book, and we can come in. We can edit the chapters if we'd like. We can check everything out. We can check out the preview. We got a beautiful cover creator that allows you to create beautiful images and covers. And then we have the information about the book, and then it's like more of an educational book, like I said. So it's giving information on how this all works, steps, techniques, step 1, step 2, how to set things up, the market trends, etc. It's going through the book. And the beautiful thing about our book creator is also that it provides users with backlinks also to specific articles that it finds, that it uses the content to create, and it incorporates it inside the book as well as links. Not all, depends on the book cover that you create. So once this is done, we are basically done. We're going to be able to download the PDF, to download the EPUB, download the cover, whatever you need to do. Now, one special feature that is not available in the front end, it's part of the upgrade that I like to show off, is basically the fact that you can actually publish from inside our software to KDP platform without you going in and entering your keywords or your descriptions or the pricing or the covers or the manuscript, nothing. You just click and this actually does it for you. That's done. All I have to do is just basically come into my account and just refresh into my bookshelf, and it's right here. Next step is just for me to go ahead and just publish it and just to check everything. Everything is basically created for me. This is part of an upgrade, the automation part. Everything else is ready for you to go with your actual software that you have to download the PDF or the EPUB to upload it, following my strategies and the training inside. So basically, this book, I'm going to put a little price that everything is ready. I'm going to choose my 70% royalties and I'm done.